Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Arbitrum network to your Trust wallet and use its coins in order to receive it or buy it and have it basically on your dashboard on Trust wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you opened up your Trust wallet, all you have to do is click Manage Crypto right there at the bottom, or you can also click in the right top corner this button and you will see the same Manage Crypto option. Now you will see here all of the networks. So you can either search here for Arbitrum, or you can go ahead and search and write it down. And as you can see, they only have ETH here. So you want to toggle on this button, go back, and now you have ETH of Arbitrum network here on your crypto. Once you click on it, you can either send it or receive it, as you can see. And that's basically it. That's how you add it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.